Everyone, it's WOW News Wednesday for February 4th, 2026, and we have some good news on education funding. For the fiscal year 2026, a $79 billion budget has been approved. The schools will see similar amounts from past year's funding levels. Title I, students from low-income households, the IDEA Act for Special Education Services, Title II for Professional Development, Title III for English learners, the $890 million that they've been consistently getting over the years. It also requires the Department of Ed to consult more closely with Congress. It includes $400 million for Ed Department staff compensation, even though they cut their staff by about half last year, and includes funding for AmeriCorps and the Institution of Museum and Library Science. So stay tuned, like, share, follow, and we will give you updates on more education news.